Hello friends, welcome back to Cons Passion Sis Profession. Today we are going to see about upper body stretchings in standing position. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon, then only you get all the notifications. Before start stretching, don't forget to breathe normally and make sure you feel good, comfort and not to get pain. Hold each position for 10 to 30 seconds. First one is trapezius stretch. Begin it by staying comfortable and clasp your hands on your head. Gently pull your head down, bring your chin towards the collarbone and hold. It involves majorly upper trapezius muscles, minorly semispinalis capitis, splenius capitis, scalene muscles. Next one is sternocleidomastoid stretch, neck front muscle stretching. Place your thumb fingers downward of your chin. Pull skull backward while turning chin up towards sky. If you are a beginner, you have to do it normal. If you are a sports person or if you want to make the stretch more intenser, you can push the chin upward with the help of your thumb fingers to the possible level. In this stretch, sternocleidomastoid muscles are involved. The third one is neck side muscle stretching. Place your right hand on your left side ear, gently pull the skull towards the right side shoulder and hold. Then do the alternate. Be careful, don't pull it too much, do with sweep to your capacity. This stretching involves upper trapezius muscles and sternocleidomastoid muscles. Fourth one is levator scapula stretch. Extend out your right arm and flex it into 45 degree. Tilt your head to right side, which correctly maintain the ankle towards the right hand knee. Then place your right hand palm on the head and firmly pull the skull towards the right hand knee. This stretching involves levator scapula muscles, upper trapezius muscles and scalene muscles. Do the alternate to the neck side also. All these neck stretching exercises improves flexibility, expand range of motion. This relieves the stiffness that accompanies pain. Next one is tricep stretch. Lift the right arm straight up before bending it backward at your elbow. Your palm should be flat against your back and your shoulders should not be hunched over. Place your left arm's hand on your elbow and push your stretching arm down while also pushing it towards your head. Repeat the same for the other hand also. In this stretch, triceps brachii, teres major, latissimus dorsi muscles are involved. If you can't able to reach your elbow, you can use this modified method. Hold one of your arm with the other hand, firmly pull it to the opposite side. The next one is deltoid muscle stretch or side shoulder stretching. Straighten your arm across your body and slightly press it with your other hand to intensify the stretch. In this stretch, posterior deltoid muscles, infraspinatus, teres minor muscles are involved. Repeat the same exercise with your other arm also. Next one is side shoulder stretch. Bend your elbow at 90 degrees across your body and firmly pull it after the elbow with the other hand to feel the stretch. In this stretch, posterior deltoid, rhomboid muscles, teres minor, trapezius, latissimus dorsi, infraspinatus muscles are involved. And the eighth one is bicep stretch. Back of the hand on the wall, thumbs faces down. Keep the elbow straight. Take a small step forward with the leg closer to the wall. Shift your weight forward slightly. Press the shoulder towards the wall as you twist the upper body upper from the wall. Do the same to the other hand. In this exercise, biceps brachii, anterior deltoid and pectoralis major muscles are involved. The next one is pectoral stretch. Straighten up with your face to the wall. Put your hand on the wall and slowly turn away from it. In this stretch, pectoralis major, clavicular head, abdominal head and sternocostal head muscles are involved. Do the same for another hand. This is also a type of bicep stretch but more intensive. Show your back to the wall and slowly place both hands palm on the wall at your backside. And slowly go to the half squat position and maintain it for a while. This stretch involves biceps muscles, deltoid muscles, rhomboid muscles, teres muscles, infraspinatus muscles and trapezius muscles. Next one is downward facing dog pose stretch. Stand against the wall, place both hands on the wall. Make sure that the distance is enough to keep your upper body parallel to the floor. And then slightly stretch your chest down. In this stretch, pectoralis major and minor and lats muscles and serratus interior muscles are involved. The next one is rhomboid muscle stretch. Clasp your hands in front of your body. Slowly stretch out towards front. And then very slowly open up the elbow to intensify the stretch. In this stretch, rhomboid muscles and upper trapezius muscles are involved. Now forearm stretches. Clasp your hands in front of your body, palms facing outward. Slowly stretch out full hand towards front. In this stretch, flexor digitorum superficialis, flexor pollicis longus, flexor digitorum profundus, flexor carpi radius, palmaris longus, pronator teres muscles are involved. Stretch out one arm, palm facing upward. Fold the fingers with the help of other hand and slowly pull it back. In this stretch, branchioradialis, pronator teres, palmaris longus, flexor digitorum superficialis, flexor carpi radialis, flexor carpi ulnaris, flexor digitorum profundus, flexor pollicis longus muscles are involved. Hold one of your arm, palms facing downward, slowly pull it back. In this stretch, ulnaris muscles are involved. And hold one of your arm with the other hand, palms facing inward. In this stretch, supinator muscles are involved. Next one is biceps branchiolus stretch. Join both of your hands at back of your body. In this step, you can feel the stretch. If you want to intensify more, you can slowly bend down. This stretch involves biceps branchi, branchiolus, shoulder muscles, anterior deltoid muscles and rhomboid muscles. You can bend your body but don't bend your elbows in this step. Next one is serratus anterior stretch. Stand beside the wall. Place the palm which is closer to the wall high above your head. Take a step forward with the leg closer to the wall and then firmly press the palm on the wall. In this stretch, serratus anterior, pectoralis major, pectoralis minor and the anterior deltoid muscles are involved. Next one is latissimus dorsi stretch. Place the right hand on the right side hip. Rise up the left hand, slowly bend towards the right side. In this stretch, latissimus dorsi muscles are majorly involved. Repeat the same for the another side. If you want to more intensify, try this modified method. Place your right leg in front of the left leg. Place the right hand on the right side hip and slowly bend towards the right side. And very slowly bend your right leg knee to intensify the stretch more effectively. And repeat the alternate for another side. In this stretch, latissimus dorsi, deltoid muscles and biceps groove muscles are involved. These are the static stretches, so don't want to give any jerk movements in this. If you really like this video, press the like icon and share with your friends and write your suggestion on the comment box. Okay friends, thank you. We will meet in the next video, lower body stretching in standing mode. Bye bye, take care.